Okay, now that I have the locomotive all sitting on the tracks and everything all wired up, I've done some different testing throughout and making sure my wires are correct and all that good stuff. And then I've also done some extended programming with it. Outside of the original manual that I printed off for the sound project, I made some various notes on the on my lighting here because I rewired some things different from what they had originally suggested. Now you probably can't see it all that well in the video here, but so on my control, my headlights come on, and then if I change the directions, I just use F0 for the headlights, and if I change the direction, I've reprogrammed it so that if I change the direction, the headlights always stay on. To turn on the rear lights, all I need to do is press F1 and the rear lights come on. F2 turns on both the cab light and the chassis lights. I don't know, you can kind of see the reflection probably of the chassis lights on there. And they stay on regardless of the direction that the locomotive is traveling. And then F8 is the standard sound on. Turns on your sound. F3 is what they call a one-tone whistle. F4 is a multi-tone whistle. F5 is the bell. F6 is the smoke generator. It takes it a second or two to start heating up, and it doesn't do anything, or it doesn't actually pulse until I start moving. If you notice, it actually puts out quite a bit of smoke. And it pulses with the chuff of the locomotive. And the harder you run it, the more it's going to produce smoke. So if you're really pulling a load and just starting out, it produces more smoke than when it does when it's running. And then from F6, we have F7. Once it finishes its random sound, we have F7 for the, this sound is the cylinders being vented. F9 is a wheel screeching sound, as if going around a curve. F10 automatically has the coal shoveling sound, and the firebox flickers internal to it when that happens. F11 is a... now this will produce smoke if the smoke blower is turned on. Actually, here, let's go turn the smoke back on. And then hit F11 again. I just turned it on, so it might take it a second to start again. Now, if you notice, when I hit F11, it should now hit a bunch of smoke blowing out the top. That would be what is considered the blower to heat up the fire. F12 is if it was actually programmed, or if it had automatic couplers, it should move back and forth a little bit.